All right, so let's try this out. Another unboxing video, kind of spontaneous. Let me get my drink. So this one is a used from Amazon Yamaha MG10XU USB mixer. And it said, let me pull up the description real quick. What was it said? Used acceptable. Cosmetic imperfections bigger than 1 inch on top, front, or sides of item. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged. Packaging's damaged. So, we can see all right here on the side. It's peeled, it's taped. It's had a piece of the picture razor bladed off. Amazon warehouse deals inspected. I mean, this I could get. It was probably taped to a pallet or something, and or maybe it was the way it was packaged. But unless there was, I mean, here's the UPCs, so I don't know why they did that. The only thing I'm really disappointed in, and I mean, I don't live in the best of neighborhoods. I don't live in a really nice gated community. If nobody would have been home, I promise you I wouldn't have gotten this package. Somebody would have walked by, saw an MG10XU mixer, and they'd be doing an unboxing, but I wouldn't be. So, let's tear into it. As soon as I can find my knife. All right. So let's see what we see when we break this open. One of the really cool things I've come to find out though about warehouse deals is their return policy is the exact same as Amazon. So really, to be honest, as long as this isn't damaged inside, I really don't care what the box looks like. So let's. We've got the I forget what the connector is. DIN? I don't know. Some kind of 3-pin connector. Other than you could tell it was probably coiled up at one time, maybe zip tied or Velcro strapped, maybe because the creases are still in the wire. So, but I mean, looks good. No problems whatsoever. So let's, as long as it's not too totally damaged. I'd hate to see some bent knobs or anything else. So one of the reasons I bought this is, much like anybody else, the price. This thing retails brand new at $2. You can buy bundle packs with XLR cables, TRS connectors, aux cables, whatever. In the low $2s, $220, I think was about the highest, maybe $230. I've seen this thing get up to with accessories. The prices are climbing. At one point in time, I think this was like a $150 mixer, but because of all the YouTubers, and not that I'm a YouTuber, I'm just doing this, makes videos on this stuff, and it sends the market into a frenzy. Everybody buys them, and it drives the price up. I have a prime example of that on my Sennheiser 598 SEs up here. I paid $75 for them. Right now, they're used on Amazon for, I don't know, $400. So here we go. This is me seeing it for the first time. I just got home from work. Let's go. I'm pretty sure these had their own little envelope at some point. Maybe I'll watch an actual retail unboxing. Barnacle did one, but I don't remember what all he did in depth. Just want to make sure that they all turn. This really isn't an item. I mean, this isn't really a product review as much as it is just an unboxing for the quality of Amazon warehouse deal. I'll say this, it's fine. Everything, all the knobs seem smooth. None of them are bent. They look a little off center, but that might just be the way I'm looking at it. Yeah. Not bad. They said there was going to be some cosmetic damage on the unit, possibly. What was it? What did it say? Bigger than 1 inch on top, front, or sides of item. There's not a mark on this thing. There's not a blemish. There's really nothing. Oh, you know what it is missing though? No packing list. Let me see what the box says. I mean, I don't really care. I've got tons and tons of these USB cables laying around. Metal chassis. Well, unimportant. No cosmetic damage. None. So let's get this replaced and we'll test it out. I'm going to cut it now and I'll be back. So pulled the camera down. I wanted to get a look here. I haven't really tested much out on this. You are hearing me through this, so I don't know how it's going to sound. But there's really not a blemish or a mark on this. I know the lighting's not that good. It's stuck into a corner, but legit, there's really nothing wrong with this mixer at all. It seems to work just fine. So, as opposed to spending $2 or more on this mixer for the little bit of use that I actually needed, I saved $50-$60. Bought it on Amazon Warehouse for I think it was $139. With some shipping, I think, but I think my Prime covered it. I don't know. All I know is I paid like $139 for this, and I'm happy. So, it's worth the gamble, especially if they have the same return policy on everything else. So, I mean, yeah, it's I haven't played with any of the effects yet, so we'll see how that goes. So, hope this serves somebody. Hope this does somebody some good. Always good to get a heads up on some of this. I Googled it and YouTubed it, and it looked like it was pretty hit or miss from these people from Amazon Warehouse. But I ordered, and they delivered, and they came through. So, good deal.